shouldn't you lend a geologist money? Because they consider 1 million years ago recent. Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Today we're going to do a few more things with pebbles. And I saw this little picture on Pinterest, and of course I have to try it. And it's really super simple. Just a few little pebbles, another little heart, some string, some paint, paper, scissors, and, well, let me show you. This is what we're going to need. A stick, a piece of string, some pebbles, one of my little plastic red hearts, a pair of scissors, a couple paint brushes. I have a wide one and a little one, and I'm using a white gel pen. The frame, just a 5x7 from the Dollar Tree. Piece of paper. This is cardstock, and I picked blue because this one is going to be a night scene, and I am going to paint it a little bit darker, but not totally black. Paper to protect your work area, water for your paint brushes, and some black and some white paint. That's it. Super simple. So, shall we get to work? And there it is. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, to me it's adorable, but I like silly little things like this. And it's so easy and almost therapeutic. You can do this while watching TV or anything really. You just pour out your rocks, make it a little design, let your imagination go crazy. You relax, put it together. No fuss, no muss, and a great memory. Great memories. So, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you do give this a try. And if you like these little things, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like, if you want me to move on, tell me so. Leave me a comment saying, okay, I'm bored with this. Let's go. Let's do something else. Okay. Totally understand. So, hit the subscribe button. I am working on trying to get on a permanent schedule. I promise you, I am working hard at it. So, I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you happen to see a couple little rocks, make a design. So, have a great week. I will see you soon. And thanks for coming.